Dear people, I hope you enjoy this slime, very incredibly sensational slime video for satisfaction. And here we go. We are going to be watching some clear slime color dyeing. It's really unique. I also have ice cream slime coming up, so keep watching. It's good. This is good stuff. The ASMR for sensory response with triggers will help you feel comfortable and relaxed. As you're watching these videos, you will have a sensation phenomenon and a feeling of euphoria. I have nice relaxing music with the video, and I will be keeping you company throughout this video. I am your hostess. So you can hang out with me, or you can turn down the volume. I love these videos. They're definitely worth watching. I certainly hope you stay with us till the end. It's worth it. These are completely satisfying. Stay with us for at least 5 to 10 minutes. You will quickly see how you enjoy it. These are fantastic. I love the glitter, the sequence, the beads, the color dye. Really creative and unique. I have some ice cream slime. These are splendid. Look how colorful. And the textures. I highly recommend watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe while you're watching. Let us know who you are down in the comments, and we will leave a friendly response. These are so impressive. I'm glad you're enjoying these. It's very interesting. And these are absolutely brilliant. This is so exciting and relaxing. It's beautiful the way it turns out from the beginning until the end. It looks so different. These are fascinating. The way they can pull them so hard apart. They can decorate them so beautifully. Try this at home. It looks like a lot of fun. Let us know what your favorite video is, or what you would like to see more of. Is the ice cream your favorite, or the color dye? And what is your favorite color? All of these colors are mixed. These are marvelous. We hope we added value to your day today. Please keep watching with me. I will be your invisible friend today. And I hope this is making your day a little bit brighter. I'm so thankful that you're here. Beautiful. Color clear. If you have any slime suggestions, please leave them in the comments. They will be very useful. These are some powerful slime videos. I hope you're having fun. I hope you are euphoric. I hope you're having a wonderful, sensational experience. This was produced just for you today. Hope you are experiencing positive energy. Stay tuned to our upcoming videos. I know you will enjoy them. If you love to relax, please stay tuned. You will get notifications on our new videos. We have different types of slime videos for your pleasure. Please watch our hydraulic press video. That one is fun to watch as well. We also have a ASMR compilation video that you will enjoy. You can look at the list of our videos. Really different. The textures are different. The slime is different. This one is dense. It's amazing. It's all good, guys. Squeezed. Squashed. Pulled. Manipulated. The best satisfying slime. Kneaded, decorated, poked, pressed, pulled, squeezed, kneaded, blended, pink lemonade, jelly, nice, looks so cool, so refreshing. Looks like the beach or the lake water. Thai tea with Boda and taro slush. If you like bubble tea, which flavor is your favorite? purple with beads. Hey, thanks for watching today and hanging out with us. Keep reaching for the ASMR slime. Please like and subscribe.